Okay, so I'm working on putting in the DZUS fasteners for this Ruger Red Label case that I'm working on. And I've got this jig now. Really looking forward to using it on it. It's just going to be a piece of cake. It was kind of a pain in the butt before, but now it's just a piece of cake. So I'll get started on it right now and show you what I'm going to do. First thing I'm going to do is set up the depth here. So I highly recommend making a jig. Just take a few minutes and make a guide jig for your router to when you're installing these DZUS fasteners. This is the slide latch, and it needs a recess for it to drop into. And this is a much better way to go than trying to set up temporary jigs on your router table. Believe me, I tried both ways, and this just took a few minutes to make and gonna work perfectly every time. The other one was kind of sketchy, and you had to, when you're using the router table, you had to, for me, I had to clamp it and rig it up and measure everything. And this is just much more direct and simple and repeatable. So I highly recommend making a jig. Just takes a few minutes and some scrap wood, and then you've got it for the rest of your life. So this is how the Ruger Red Label will sit it down in there. Got a contact point here, two here, and then one down here. And then there's some here for that. That just drops down in there like that. And there it is. I'm going to add some fixtures in here to hold all the chokes. That'll be the next thing I'm working on. Man, this thing's going to be nice.